Hello guys, good afternoon. So my name is Saeed Abdelzak Ali and I'm a student in AMEC BS Biology Level 1. So today I'm going to talk about nanotechnology medicine, which has a fascinating outcomes. First of all, let me make sure that nowadays, while we are talking, scientists, engineering, doctors, researchers, they all doing their best to develop this field. So nanometers, what's nanometers? We are talking about molecular level, atoms level. So now they are doing their best to invent a robot that the size it's about 10 nanometers, 3 nanometers, 5 nanometers. So it's way beyond the microscopic. You cannot even detect it under the microscope. So they will take a huge part on our body. For example, it will help the doctors to diagnose diseases. Actually, it can play a role on primary care medicine because they can detect the abnormalities. Like if there are any chemical reactions disturbance, acid-base disturbance, the electrolyte disturbance, all that can be detected by those robots. You can barely see them. You cannot see them under the microscope. So, other than the diagnostic, they can also help us to deliver the drugs. So they can deliver the drugs on the specific targeted tissues, like this, very fast. So it's really interesting field. And actually, they can take a part in regenerating the damaged tissues, like the degenerative diseases. For example, the diabetes patients, diabetes 1 patient, they have a problem on their beta cells at the pancreas, which is really degenerated. So basically, the beta cells function is to produce the insulin. So these nanometers, one, they can actually produce and generate these beta cells, and they also can deliver the insulin to our body. Actually, they can also attack the cancer cells. They can kill the cancer cells, which really going to save tons of lives. So guys, this field is really fascinating. It's really interesting. And I think that we are going to see that. Yes, that's true. They are not yet developed. But nowadays, I can assure you that they reach the level of a millimeter robot. Millimeter robots. So we are really going to invent this nanometers robots. That's all I'm going to say today, guys. And thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.